Hi friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have 32 vintage logo template. These files are AI and EPS for Adobe Illustrator, and this folder JPG for preview. So I show you. You can edit easily. You can change color. This stamp and wow, Bill Turkey honey and orange. Union made in the USA. Turkey is the name of bird and Turkey one is country. Istanbul is capital. So wow, you can edit wolf. Premium leather good. Wow, Holland. Okay, I first file drag to Adobe Illustrator. Just I show you these files are editable. Reading Illustrator files. Wow. You see here, you can select every area. For example, I select this color and double click here, change color, okay, and you see, again click and select black color, okay, and you can see, wow, here is writing color. You can change writing color or you can change the writing. So I change my name Shiraz, okay. That's mean you can change every text. Scroll down. Wow, you see here the tries change color. Double click black, cancel. You can see, okay, undo. I delete this file. Scroll down. Wow, first you need font, so you find in font from internet and then open this file. Village Turkey font needed here, so you can download on web. 1953 sea food. Wow. Nothing. Oh, okay. So I close this file and open EPS file. Same things here. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.